Hello, and welcome to the Elementary Educators training video for the 10 Breaths Away starter sequence. As elementary educators, we spend a lot of time sitting on the floor or sitting in chairs. So we're going to do our demonstration today on the floor. We're going to sit up crisscross applesauce, nice and straight. And the reason why we sit up nice and straight is not because we really want great posture. It's because sitting up nice and straight prepares our lungs to get a lot of air in there. So the very first thing is we point to our nose and we breathe in 3 times, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out. And you take one hand and you place it on your chest and you invite the class to have their nose breath connect with their hand breath. And the reason why we do this is just to encourage that breath to go a little bit deeper. So we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth, and in through our nose, and out through our mouth, and in through our nose, and out through our mouth. And then we take 2 hands, place them on our belly button, and invite that nose breath to go a little bit deeper and connect with our hands. We breathe in through our nose, and out through our mouth, and in through our nose, and out through our mouth, and in through our nose, and out through our mouth. Last breath is hands on the knees and a big breath in and out. And that is the sequence of 10 breaths away. The reason why we do it in 3 different large chunks is to make sure that when we are first starting with our nose breath, we're just getting used to bringing some air into our body. The hand breath is to make sure that our breathing is going a little bit deeper into our lungs, and the belly breath is to make sure that we are getting breath all the way from the top of our lungs to the bottom of our lungs so that the brain is getting full of oxygen. So let's go through that sequence together as we would do it in class. Point to your nose and take 3 breaths in and out, and in, and out, and in, and out. Take one hand, place it on your chest, and invite that nose breath to go a little bit deeper and connect with your hand. And in, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out. And we take both of our hands and place them on our belly, and we're gonna invite that nose breath to go a little bit deeper and make our belly a big balloon. And out. Make it small. In through our nose, and out. In through our nose, and out. And hands on your knees. Last big breath in, and out. And now your class is ready, they are calm, and can follow your next instructions with no problem. Thanks so much for joining me today for the Elementary Educators 10 Breaths Away starter sequence.